All right, we're doing page 347, problem number 23. This is chapter 6, section 3, where we're learning integration by parts and tabular integration. And we look inside this integral, we notice we have a product in here. We have an x cubed, e to the negative 2x. Again, you go through your normal protocol here. Is it one you know off the top of your head? Probably not. Try u to u. That will not work on this problem. And so we come down to tabular integration or integration by parts. Remind yourself of our acronym LIPIT. The L stands for logs. Nope, no logs. I is for inverse trig. No inverse trig. The P is polynomial, and sure enough, we have an x cubed in here. When we have polynomials times exponentials or polynomials times trig, we can use tabular integration. So I set up my two columns. I remind myself the left column I'm taking derivatives. The right column I'm taking integrals. And we go down and complete these two columns. So coming down, x cubed becomes 3x squared, which becomes 6x, which becomes 6, which goes away. E to the negative 2x. Again, I'm taking an integral. So I get e to the negative 2x, and it's divided by negative 2 or times negative 1/2. Take the next integral. I get e to the negative 2x. I get another factor of negative 1/2, which gives me positive 1/4. Another time gives me a negative 1/8. E to the negative 2x, and one last time I get 1/16. That's a positive 1/16, e to the negative 2x. All right, I know the signs in front over here alternate. It goes positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and I come across to find the answer. So my final answer is negative 1/2, and I've got my x cubed, and I've got e to the negative 2x. And again, you can factor e to the negative 2x out of all these if you want. My next term is a minus 3x squared and a 1/4. So minus 3/4 x squared e to the negative 2x. My next term, I've got a 6 and a minus 1/8. So 6/8 or 3/4. So minus 3/4. This time it's x to the first power, e to the negative 2x. And my last term is a minus 6 over 16. Reduce that, it looks like 3/8. There are no x's. I have e to the negative 2x, though. And then don't forget it's an indefinite integral, so it's a plus c. That completes our problem.